In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do the trap bar deadlift. Now, firstly, I'll show you from a side-on view and also a front-on view of me doing this exercise. Now, once you've got the weights set up, I want you to step into the trap bar and you're going to have your feet just underneath your hips with your toes pointing forwards. What I want you to think of when you get into the start position is you're going to come and sit back into a squat with your arms straight. So sit back into that squat, arms straight. Notice how my chest's up. I'm now going to bring my hands into the middle of the trap bar grips, and I want my hands to be just in front of my ankles. From here, I'm going to bring my shoulders back. So notice how I'm screwing my shoulders back, arms are still straight, core braced, chin down, and I'm going to press the floor away from me and then return back to my start position by bringing my hips back. So the main thing I see people do wrong here is they come into the position, they start yanking the weight. So when you're doing your repetitions, especially for the first rep, and you've really anchored those shoulders back, it should be nice and quiet off the floor. We shouldn't be seeing this. And also we don't want to be bouncing the weight at the bottom of the movement. So come and bring the weight down lower under control. So you can see from a front on view, so I'm stepping into the trap bar. I'm bringing my feet into a hip width stance, toes completely pointing forwards. I bring my hands out towards my sides. I'm going to keep those arms completely straight, line up my hand position in the middle of the bar mesh, so the bar grips. From here, bring my chest up, start to draw my shoulders back and start to push the bar away from the floor with a neutral spine. Hips come back and slowly rest the bar down into position. That's how you do a trap bar deadlift, which you would do for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.